Facial balancing and facial rebalancing, what exactly is it? How do we approach it as injectors? To create the best results, we assess 3-steps algorithm to regain the facial balance. First is to look at the symmetry. We always compare right side and left side in 3 main points. Brows. If you look closely at any human brow, it's always going to be different height and different shape. Second point is the cheeks. There's always a difference in the height of the cheeks and the fullness of the cheeks at the cheekbone and underneath. And third is the lip. Every human walking this earth has differences in a lip shape. We always have one side going this way and one side going that way. If you look at your lip right now, you can see that on my lip. I mean, you can clearly see this lifts up and this kind of goes down as a slope. That is a normal human anatomy, but that is part of the facial rebalance. Second thing that we look at is the projection. We're looking at projection of the highest point of the face, such as the cheeks, the jawline, and at our profile, projection of the lip and the chin. Here it's pretty easy. Your youthful face usually looks widest at the higher points, such as the cheeks, the diamond shape, and consider it to be very youthful look. So we always try to make sure that this is a little bit wider than that part. When it comes to the profile, if we touch the nose and the chin, the bottom lip should be touching and the top lip should be a little bit behind. Also on the profile is the OG curve, which is this curvature right here at the anterior cheek that is always very youthful. That is a part of the good facial balancing. Last but not least, what we're looking at as injectors is the transitions. Everything should be flowing really softly, smoothly, and naturally. Nothing too sharply defined, not harsh shadows anywhere for the teardrops, nasolabial fold, around the jaw line. Everything should be nice, supple, and soft. And those are the steps for good facial balancing.